In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-sync folders in Google Drive. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your files readily accessible and up-to-date across multiple devices. Let's dive right in and walk through setting it up step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to do is click on the Windows icon on your computer. From there, navigate your way to launching Google Drive for desktop. Now, if you haven't installed it yet, make sure you do so from the official Google website. Once you've successfully launched Google Drive for desktop, you'll notice a small gear icon at the top right corner. That's your Settings button. Go ahead and give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This is where we can customize how Google Drive behaves on your computer. Once the Preferences window is open, look towards the left-hand side of your screen and find where it says Folders from Drive. Give that a click. Now, you'll see the option to sync My Drive to this computer. Here, you'll choose between two options, Stream Files or Mirror Files. The Stream Files option is great if you want to save local disk space, as it allows you to access all your Drive files directly from the cloud. Mirror Files, on the other hand, keeps a full copy of your files on your device, ensuring you have access to them even offline. Choose whichever option suits your needs best. After you've made your choice, it's time to add a new folder to sync. Click on Add Folder, and a window will pop up. Here, you'll need to navigate through your computer's directory to find the specific folder you wish to sync with Google Drive. Once you've located it, click on it, and then select either Open or Select Folder, depending on your system prompt. Now, with your folder chosen, you'll need to decide how you want to sync it. You will be presented with an option to sync with Google Drive, which is best for general files. However, if you're primarily syncing media files, there might be a separate option specifically for photos and videos, so select whatever applies to your situation. You've almost reached the finish line. Click on Done to close this menu, and then ensure you hit Save to officially apply all your changes. And there you go. You've successfully set up auto-syncing for your folders in Google Drive. Your files will now sync automatically following the rules you've just set, keeping everything seamlessly updated on your device. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful and makes managing your files a smoother experience. Should you have any further questions or need additional guidance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. See you in the next video.